Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to make a Mississippi pot roast. Not my recipe. It is summertime. It is crazy time is what I like to call it. We are in the process of moving. We have vacations going on. It's hot because we live in Florida, so you do not want to use your oven unless you have to. So we are going to be making a crock pot recipe. I don't normally make crock pot recipes. Not a huge fan. I feel like all the meat tastes the same, but this has been a recipe that people are telling me over and over, you need to try it. It is keto. I'm going to say lazy keto just in case because you have some of your packets here. So if you are keto, this is a good recipe for you. I'm going to add mashed potatoes and green beans later. So obviously mashed potatoes are not keto. If you just want to have the Mississippi pot roast, then there you go. So let's get cooking. So our ingredients for this recipe are super simple, 5 ingredients. We have butter, we have a chuck roast, pepperoncinis, ranch seasoning packets, and the au jus gravy. So I'm actually doubling the recipe, but I'm not going to double the pepperoncinis just because they have a strong flavor and I don't want to overpower the meat and I don't want my family to not enjoy that. Everything else has been doubled. These were BOGO this week at Publix, so we love that. My roasts are about 2.5 pounds each, which is also nice because you don't want to waste your summer break cooking all the time. So you can go ahead and cook this, and then there are so many options. So you can do a traditional roast style like we're doing today. But then with leftovers, you could make sandwiches and put them on little rolls. You could do the hard rolls or the soft rolls. Put some cheese on top, broil it for just a couple of seconds, and then you have a sandwich. So there's a lot of different options you can make with this, and it doesn't take away from that summer fun because I'm all about having fun. And you know, cooking's necessary, right? But it's not always something you want to do. You'd rather spend time with your family. So we've got our roast in the crock pot, and then we are just going to put everything else on top of it. So my new moms, my newlywed people, this recipe's for you. Those that don't like to cook, those that don't know how to cook. It's going to be perfect because it's so easy and you can't mess it up. Okay? You cannot mess this one up. All right, did I lose anybody? I hope not. I'm just kidding. We have all of our ingredients in our crock pot. We are going to set it for 8 hours. It's low and slow, okay? But it's not going to make your house hot, so we love that. Put our lid on it. My lid has a white top because Abby broke it, so we're just going to go with it. Now we're going to fast forward 8 hours. Doesn't that look amazing? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye.